Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel, and this is a long overdue video. Back in March, before the second wave has hit, we went for our second honeymoon to Manali, Himachal Pradesh, and this video is the document of our trip. The first part is Delhi vlog, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So our flight was pretty late at night from Vizag, and once we reached Delhi it was so late. So are you excited?
Too much.
So that night we stayed at a friend's place, and the next morning, since we had zero winter clothes, we went to Decathlon for shopping and met a few friends of ours. Right now I am in Delhi after 4 years, and this is my friend Shamu, and he is also friend with Shamu.
Okay.
So they are
Shamu one,
namesakes.
Shamu two.
So here at Delhi after 4 long years, we reached here last night and stayed at a friend's place. Today morning we need to get some shopping done. For that we came to Decathlon at Ansal Plaza and we got a lot of shopping done. We'll show you that later. But now we are heading towards Sundar Nursery at Humayun's tomb. It's a very recent place that has opened and we have not tried that, so why not? So we are going there. What's the procedure?
You have to stand in the queue and then take the ticket. This ticket is 40 for Indians in South Country.
And where is the cafe?
It's somewhere inside actually. You have to go and find out.
Loving the vibe over here. If you come in the winters, that would be such a good thing. This entire park was made by Shahir, and this guy has worked for the landscaping of that park.
It was not made, he worked on the renovation.
Okay, he worked on the renovation, but this guy had all written the names
I
of the
just
plants.
interned for like 3 days on this.
Yeah, that's good. You know what you have drafted.
Yeah.
Seeing your own work feels so good. Since we are architects as well as urban planners, we will mostly find buildings and structures as well as landscape elements in our videos. So here the one that you are seeing right now is called Chadar, which is basically an eminent form of landscape element in every Mughal design you can see. So the water is basically made continuously flow throughout the site in this kind of structure so that no mosquitoes or anything forms in it. Oh, it feels so good to be back in Delhi after such a long time. People are enjoying sitting on the lawn in the sun. Oh my goodness. There is this fountain this side and this is called Chadar. This is the Chadar and people are relaxing over here, and this is, what tree is it? Now we are going towards the cafe and it's around 1:30.
Huh?
How much? It's 2:30 and still the cafe is so crowded. And so many people have come to have picnics all over the place. I am loving this vibe, seriously man. Hey. After ordering the food, we're trying to find a nice seat beside the lake to have the food. The food would take another half an hour to come, so we are trying to find a good spot. Decided to settle down here below this. What is this called?
Chabutra.
What?
Chabutra.
Chabutra. We decided to settle below this Chabutra for lunch today, and from the cafe we ordered that food, which will be coming shortly. We got our food. This is rice and some butter chicken types, whatever it's.
Salad, banana cake, coconut ice cream and berries ice cream.
And we are enjoying this with the view. So that's all for today from Sundar Nursery, which we really enjoyed. So after having the lunch that was really good, we decided to leave and call it a day from Sundar Nursery because we had something planned ahead of us and we had to catch a bus, and for that you have to watch our next episode. So in Delhi we are coming after a long time, and to make that vista frame, this point in the India Gate has been blocked. Only the view of the India Gate has been open. So we are waiting. Roaming around the streets of New Delhi before boarding the bus.
Just strolling. Since it's a lovely street, we like to have a walk.
That's just the footpath to walk. Pedestrianization.
There's a Bengali market there, so we are trying to get something. If we
Let's-
get.
We love Delhi chaat so much that this feels like heaven. And that's the end of our day 1 vlog. Do subscribe to our channel and like our videos, just like I am liking this papri chaat. And for the next episode, we will be back shortly. Stay tuned until the next episode. Bye.